Okay, we're recording now. We are back, guys. You guys see that right there? 1,000 horsepower. Let's do it. So we have a Porsche right there. Bro does not want to smoke right now. Chad, we gapping that? 911? It's light work. It's like dog walk. Alright, go. Guys, make sure to look left and right when you cross the street. I mean, when you turn the street. Bro, the lighting right now is beautiful. Hold on, I gotta take that a little bit to the sideway. Three, two, one. Oh my gosh. Go, bro. Bro, you better go after this car. You better go after this car. You bet. Bro, what are you doing?
I'm trying to go left.
Oh. Police.
Front KA band.
Boy. Oh, you can smell that E85. Oh my gosh, it's so strong. Oh, I need gas too. Fuck. Yeah. I gotta see what the gas is in that. Bro, I can only use like a select few gas stations. Because we're part of the E85 gang. Whoa. Where the police at? Hold on. Uh-oh. We good, chat. We good. Don't worry. We have a SL55 AMG. Light work. Like these gas stations right here that you guys see on the screen. It's bad. What? Oh man, there's a line to get on the highway. Oh brother. Okay. Bro, just go. Bro, just go. Please, just go. Thank you. Fuck. This week, catch up to that yours. Oh! Oh shit, a fucking Hellcat. Oh my gosh, Hellcat. Bro, go, come on. Oh my gosh, it's a Hellcat. Oh. That thing sounds fucking sick, bro. Yo! Oh my gosh! Holy! Hold on. And then we got the Urus up there too, bro. Beautiful lineup right now. Bro, that thing did not sound stock. What the fuck? It's a regular Hellcat? I think so. That thing sounds crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro! That thing sounds fucking nasty. Oh my gosh, bro! Look at that Urus. That thing is nice. Bro, of course, soon we start cutting up with a Hellcat, we gotta get off on the exit. Fuck, that thing is so nice, bro. Hey, we're good off the same exit, let's go! That boy going in and out. Gosh, bro. Fuck. And now we're in a tunnel. Wait, I'll get in that lane? Can I get in there? Got a little baby Porsche right here. Light work, no reaction. Go, 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 go. Can we make it? Yep. Good. Okay guys, we just made it to the in and out line, so yeah, I'll catch y'all once we get out the line. Bye.